First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. To create your first AI image, go to the main image generation area and find the prompt box. This is where you describe exactly what you want Ideogram AI to create. Start with a clear and simple idea. For example, you could enter a prompt describing a futuristic city at night, with glowing skyscrapers, neon signs, wet streets, cinematic lighting, and a realistic photography style. Try to include important details such as the main subject, environment, colors, lighting, composition, and visual style. If you want text inside the image, include the exact wording in your prompt and clearly explain where you want it to appear. Next, review the available generation settings. Depending on your current Ideogram AI interface and account, you may be able to choose a model, aspect ratio, style, or other creative options. Select the settings that match your project. For example, you might choose a landscape format for a YouTube thumbnail or a portrait format for a social media design. Now start the generation process and wait for Ideogram AI to create your images. When the results appear, compare the different variations carefully. Look at the subject, composition, colors, lighting, image quality, and any text included in the design. If the result is exactly what you wanted, improve your prompt rather than starting with a completely different idea. Add more specific details about the elements that need to change. You can also experiment with different styles, aspect ratios, and generation settings to create new variations. Once you find an image you like, use the available editing or remixing features if you want to make additional changes. After completing your edits, review the final image carefully and make sure there are no unwanted details or mistakes. Finally,